hosted by तुम्हारी मम्मी बोल.
Hosted by तुम्हारी
You're
मम्मी
making
का
me
favorite,
nervous
ऐसा
now
बोलो.
by saying this shit. I don't have any issues. वो कोई बात नहीं है. So hello and welcome to the Brownie Version podcast. This is your favorite Eagle Sabhiga Aniket. We have some returning guests and a new special one. We have Crack say hello.
मैं क्या जी, सत श्री अकाल.
We have Happy Soul say hello.
Hey buddies, what's up?
We have Sid say hello.
Oh, podcast pop.
We have Ghost Mother say hello.
Sup, dudes?
And we have a new guest. We have a special guest who's still a midnight khwab for many middle class girls. We have Rav. Rav, say hello.
The myth, the legend. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Rav, say hello, you motherfucker.
Such an anticlimactic introduction. My God.
Yeah.
Yes, because some people
I thought
try.
he was gonna mention something and he was like, Ram.
Rav, nice.
Ram.
Actually, I would prefer this kind of an introduction, honestly, guys.
Yeah.
Fucking epic.
So.
Focus का बोल दिया, बाद में fix कर दे. Sorry.
Damn.
All right.
राम ने अभी तक hello नहीं बोला है.
Yes.
Oh, shut up.
Rav, say hello.
Hi guys, hi everybody. How is everybody doing?
So yeah, for anyone that does not know who Rav is a co-host of another very popular podcast, The Person Behind the Persona. He's been featured in many other podcasts as well, and now this one, boys, we made it. He's okay. So
Yep, we made it.
yeah.
Reach.
तुमको क्या लगा तुम्हारी कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं? तुम
हैं?
हैं? ओए
हैं?
टेंशन नहीं करनी.
दिल्ली से हूँ. जानते हो बाप कौन है?
अच्छा ठीक है. अब we will see about that. So now don't worry.
सब समझा हाँ.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, Autobot.
Ah, god
So,
damn it.
Arey guys, did you see on Instagram today? This Instagram model fucking posted a picture laughing at an Anne Frank book.
What the fuck?
You guys didn't see
That
this.
happened.
Oh.
No.
So there's this Instagram model, Indian Instagram model by the name of Zubaira. ठीक है? So what she did is she had a book of Anne Frank, I think it was a biography of Anne Frank in her hand. She was looking at the page and laughing to click a picture for Instagram.
Can you, for the people who are listening to the podcast, tell a little bit about who Anne Frank is?
Okay, so Anne Frank is basically this teenager girl who lived in the Nazi Germany. She was Jewish, and yeah, she went through some shit. What else can I say?
Can you, what shit, like tragedy?
She
some
was a
tragedy?
Struggles in a family living in the Nazi Germany.
She was a
kind of
Jewish girl living in Nazi Germany. You can contemplate
What
what kind
do
of
you-
shit she was going through.
What more context do you want?
I can make this worse just so you know, but I'm not gonna do it because they'll enjoy it.
Have any of you read?
Yeah, because your internet is worse. That's why.
have you
I had a chapter about Anne Frank. Like we
In
had
10th
to-
class, in class 10th.
Yeah.
10th class.
Yeah, we have to
Are
read
you
the
sure
novel.
it was 10th?
Yeah, it was 10th because that was the
Yeah,
last
yeah,
time we
yeah.
have to read that novel, right?
have any of you like read about any details about how the Jews were treated in Nazi concentration camps, or like have you seen any pictures of any sort?
Not
I have watched what was it? Schindler's List,
Auschwitz.
I think.
Schindler's
Auschwitz.
List.
Eh,
Yeah, I've been to Auschwitz.
Really?
Oh
Yeah.
damn.
What?
Oh
Yeah.
hell yeah! man. Oh, not hell yeah, but what was the experience?
Oh man.
Okay, so what is it like? Because I
So,
don't know.
Just for just more a little bit of information and context. Auschwitz is a place in Poland. Okay,
Yeah.
it's around 30 kilometers from this town called Krakow.
Okay.
It used to be the biggest concentration camp during Nazi Germany, during Hitler's time. Okay, and when I went to Auschwitz with my cousin, we were basically shown various parts of that concentration camp. The first thing which you'll notice when you get there is it's completely silent. Nobody is speaking shit.
Okay.
There are guides. There are different kinds of guides there, but like they don't speak. What you have in Auschwitz is they'll give you some sort of a device, and which you plug into your ear and you walk around.
Okay.
It senses where you are and it starts speaking accordingly.
Oh.
Or describing that place.
So that's
that
the
area.
guide. That portable
That is basically
device.
the guide. That is how the guides work in I think most of Europe, because I went to Germany as well, and there also they had the same kind of guide. They will have a machine. When you walk around, it detects where you are and it will tell you a description of what is going around.
It basically has a GPS inside it with
Something
a
like that,
program
yes.
that tells the GPS where you
Yes.
collects from the GPS where you are and then recognizes it. Okay.
I think how it works is they must be having sensors in those areas,
Yeah.
and the closest sensors would detect, and they would speak out that particular part.
That's fucking cool, bro.
Yeah, it's so much more convenient. I think they also do that so that place is actually very, very silent. Okay, nobody, out of respect and out of I don't know what, but people don't speak over there. Okay. So I saw one of the gas chambers. Okay. To be able to, you won't believe, guys. Okay, first of all, they're very tiny spaces. Okay, because back in the day, it's how many years back? It's around 80, 90 years back, right? And people were shorter in height, right? Then you can still imagine, but the size is so small for that gas chamber. They fit, I don't know how they fit 1,000 people inside, and filled it with the poisonous gas. I think it starts with Z. I can't remember the name of the gas. Okay, that is one. The most horrific part, however, was they have this one particular room where they have a glass pane, and on the other side you have hair.
Okay.
Jewish hair. Yeah, Jewish people's hair. They have basically ripped it off, and it's just still kept there. Okay.
Okay.
It's very, very what do you call it? What's the right word? Grim, I guess.
It's obviously grim. It was, first of all, it was Nazi Germany.
Right. No, but this is not Germany. This was Poland,
But
right?
Hitler had his
right.
control over Poland also, just saying.
Right. True.
Right. And it was one of the most gruesome periods mankind has ever seen.
Right.
Yeah.
So what were we even we were talking about how this Instagram model thought she would look fucking woke if she was reading a book. Guess what book she chooses? She chooses the biography of Anne Frank. Guess
I
what
think I saw the post.
and guess what she does? She laughs at that. Apparently she didn't know what she was doing, but still it's just dumb, right?
Oh my
Poor
god.
choice of books, bro. What the
She could have just used.
I mean,
you know that is why हमको स्कूल में बचपन में बोलते थे कि बुक्स को कवर करा करो, ठीक है?
bro, literally, what if she's like, okay, उसकी कोई छोटी बहन है 10th में कि कोई बुक लेके आ, अभी अपन फोटो शूट करेंगे, and then
Probably
she just brought
that.
Anne Frank.
I think she has a younger brother. ठीक है, क्योंकि my mother.
Bro,
सुन.
I fucking solved it, guys.
सुन. My mother was watching this thing on Facebook, and I think it was the same model and her brother, and उनकी मम्मी उनका पानी में मुंह डबो रही थी. That sounds wrong. पूरा सुन
If
लो.
they're doing that, they can laugh on the Anne Frank.
पूरा
joke. That's
पूरा सुन लो. So what was happening is they had two bowls, ठीक है? In one hand she was holding her son from the neck, and in the other her daughter, and another person was asking her questions like who's the favorite child and who's more annoying, and whichever was the answer, she was fucking putting his
trying
face.
to kill him or her. Yeah,
It was the most fucked up shit.
that's the best weekend ever.
Underwater breathing practice. Yeah.
ठीक है,
What did you do this weekend? I almost died playing with my mom.
Yes.
What about you though? What about you?
मम्मी को टिकटॉक बनानी थी. मम्मी ने कहा बेटा आओ तुम्हारे को पानी में डुबा देती हूँ.
Bro, what if ऐसा ही हुआ हो कि उसने छोटे भाई को बोला हो कि मेरे को भी बुक लाके दे, and he brought the Anne Frank thing, and then she just started laughing. It was
दीदी,
just
एक
a photo
आपकी
shoot.
जैसी-
What do
आपके
you
जैसी
think was
budding
going
talent
through
के
her
बारे में.
mind? She was like, हाँ कोई rom-com होगी.
ओ यहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं, बाल उखाड़ रहे हैं. नाइस यार.
Yes.
Oh hell
So
yeah.
romantic.
What
I
do you mean
think-
इनका घर उड़ा दिया? That doesn't sound like a rom-com though. What?
Because it isn't a rom-com. So
Who would have thought?
who would have thought? Yeah, man. So it just seems like people will do anything these days, because obviously it doesn't seem like that because that is the case, but it still boggles my mind how someone can be so fucking stupid to do so. Just saying. Right.
I'm not gonna go to that extreme. What if she doesn't know, bro?
But
I'm gonna give her.
obviously she doesn't know. If she knew, she wouldn't have been fucking laughing at the book
Yeah, I mean,
and taking an
yeah,
Instagram
but
picture.
वो लड़की एकदम इतनी एन फ्रैंक की बुक में मेरे को याद है थोड़ी बहुत स्टोरी कि इट्स लाइक कि वो एकदम हाइड होके रह रहे थे किसी और फैमिली के साथ, उनके घर में रह रहे थे,
Yeah,
लाइक
yeah,
वो
I think
अपने
so,
घर पे
yeah.
भी नहीं रह रहे थे, तो इतना डिप्रेस था, मतलब बहुत डिप्रेसिंग सीन था यार उसका वो।
भाई how it's not depressing, it's gruesome. वो
It's
can't-
gruesome, yeah.
I
You're
can't
seeing the
emphasize
fucking
that enough.
world.
Jewish
You're seeing the
ladki in
world
Nazi
at
Germany.
that point of time from a Jewish teenager who doesn't even know what the fuck is happening around him.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, one
bol,
question.
bol.
Given that you guys are talking a little bit reference about ISPs, you guys did this any of you, because we are of very very different age groups, right? So like, do you guys remember dial-up internet? No? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
What?
Think so.
Yes.
I think so.
Think so, yeah.
Not me. I'm the same age as Crack, but I don't
Yeah.
remember because I had BSNL ka LAN wala since I was 7 or 8. So I've had
Yeah, something
had
same.
internet
Because you know
since
what? This is like the laptop that I have. I
Right.
bought it in October last year. Like this is the first PC or laptop that I ever, like, personal PC that I ever had in my life.
Right.
Hmm.
Right.
And I wasn't all like also used to Wi-Fi's in houses. Okay.
Okay.
I had friends that had Wi-Fi's, but I never had a personal connection for myself.
Right.
So I am kinda used to the dial-up thing as well.
Okay.
Kinda.
I am used to not have. I was used to not having Wi-Fi but having an internet connection still because broadband आता था तब. So there was no
Yeah.
Wi-Fi. There was only LAN, right?
Yeah, okay.
अगर Ethernet केबल
When
नहीं
did
लगा
Jio
रखी.
come? When did Jio come into play?
2016.
2016.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah.
Or maybe
Yes.
earlier, I don't know.
I'm not even gonna ask Happy the question because I just saw the bed board he has on the majestic bed board that he has in the background. Like, that guy has never seen dial-up in his entire freaking life.
Oh my
Okay.
God, man, sorry.
Like, you know, people have curtains. This
Yeah.
guy has curtains embedded
Oh, man.
into his backboard. Like, what
Bro,
is that
like-
hell
Oh,
is
man,
going?
sorry.
Usually he is in front
Telegram
of
भेजो तेरे को, Telegram
curtains.
है, Telegram भेजो.
Usually my guy Happy is in front of curtains. Let's just put it out there. But
Yeah.
today he's on his bed, comfy, because he wanted to record the podcast in a comfy place. So no shame for that, Happy. You
Yeah,
do.
buddy. Please.
No
Bro,
shame.
like I was just thinking about it.
Hmm.
Geo 2016 was very fucking chill.
I don't
Like,
know.
Yeah, it. What? Do
I
you
didn't
mean you
use
don't
it
know?
because
What do you mean by it was very fucking chill? Like, what does
yeah,
that mean?
also that.
Like, abhi to the plans are comparatively not very expensive, but kind of expensive. Okay.
Yeah.
But back then it was like you just buy the SIM, and for the next, like, उन्होंने कुछ तो भी बोला था कि इतने
months.
टाइम तक तुम्हारा
It was
free
for
है, calling,
free, right,
सब का.
unlimited
Yeah.
free, exactly.
हाँ,
months
कुछ
से
भी
That is
करो.
basic-
that is basically how they gained a significant
Gained,
amount of
yeah,
people.
yeah,
Yeah.
Hmm.
And that is what the Geo audience came from. Like,
Apparently, some
And then
only,
they extended to fiber connections as well.
Yeah.
you know, when I was in college, I had gotten this Geo router. Okay.
yeah.
And I used to carry that around everywhere. I have never ever, like, not even kidding, I've never ever like had a data pack on my phone ever.
Uh,
Till date.
I
I've always
Jio
used-
का आया था ना
I used
1500
to-
रुपए का जो आता था.
right, the black one.
yeah.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, I used to use that, and my friends in college used to always make fun of me. Like, भाई डेटा ले ले, तो ये क्यों ले रहा है? सिम ले ले, डायरेक्टली लगा दे. And like, you don't understand the convenience of the router. I can use my laptop anywhere I want.
Also,
Yeah,
I had the pen drive kind of thing, right? I used to have that Tata.
Dongle, yeah.
Wi-Fi
Yeah,
dongle.
I
Dongle,
used to
dongle,
use-
yeah.
There was Tata Docomo. I remember.
Bro, Docomo.
Huawei का आता था dongle.
Yeah.
MTS,
Sun.
bro, MTS.
Like
Yeah.
hardware was always Huawei only, right?
Yeah.
The
right,
ISPs were
right.
different. I remember Docomo was there, Tata ka,
Here-
and then there was
Yeah.
Airtel, and then there was Reliance.
Fun fact,
एक
एक बार ना I had a dongle.
Aircel और MTS.
I had a dongle which was on postpaid. मेरा बिल महीने का 12,000 चला गया था at that time.
12,000.
What the
Oh
fuck?
my fucking
Yeah,
god.
that's very relatable because internet at that point of time, 2010 to 2012 was very expensive. Like,
Bro,
very expensive.
before Jio came into play, 2G was the fucking shit. Okay.
But it was
For
always
me,
expensive,
oh my
It
yeah.
was
God.
the only internet pack
We
that I
used, to,
got ever.
we used to have those colored Nokia phones in junior college, and अगर गलती से भी उसमें 3G लिखा आ जाए ना, like,
फट जाती थी.
भाई पैसा
That was some
पैसा.
other type of privilege to have, just saying.
Like the man.
Yeah, kind of. Like if you had faster internet, the only thing that you could do is surf faster on YouTube because उस time पे nobody knew shit to do,
Yeah.
right?
And watch better quality porn. Why not?
Yeah,
exactly.
obviously.
Yeah, that is
Yeah,
one.
of
Yeah.
course. Yeah.
Of
There's
course.
always that one guy.
I mean, this guy.
Watch
See,
better quality for porn on your 1-inch screen.
but this guy has come from. Okay, एक second. Rav has come from the days when it took half an hour to load that shit up, right?
Bro, yeah.
So obviously,
And you didn't. You weren't even sure if it's gonna be good or not. You were just playing a
See,
gamble.
I'm-
Like,
he had to make
It's
do
not
with what
very-
loaded
It's
up.
not very different in real life now. I'm telling you right now.
Yes.
Okay? It's not very different.
Okay,
it's a
so
gamble. Okay, I'm not gonna say that.
so
That sounds wrong.
So let me make
मीटू होने वाला है कि नहीं ये पता नहीं बट ट्राई करते हैं.
so going from talking about pornography to going to talk about food, me and yes,
Best segue ever. Best
Best
segue.
segue ever. Not much of a difference.
yes.
Not much
You
of a difference.
there is something that you okay, cholo. I am not even gonna go there.
So that's what they mean by food porn, huh?
Okay.
yeah,
Big brain moment.
That guy
Big
was just
brain boys.
segueing into a podcast and he was like, this sounds like a thing, na? Food porn is something.
मैंने देखा चैनल देखा था उधर.
so boys,
So yeah.
I think this is a much needed debate that we need to have on the channel, like we did have the Power Rangers debate. That is which Lay's flavor is the best.
Indian masala, bro.
Wait a second.
Very
Wait a
good.
second.
Throw them
Wait a
on, throw them on.
second. Wait a second. It's not that easy.
Alright.
Me and Sid have created brackets, right? And we're gonna name a winner right now. So,
Okay.
All right.
so first matchup is between the classic Indian and the tomato, that
Classic
that
Indian.
degenerate
Classic
flavor,
Classic Indian.
right?
Bro, tomato is nice as well, okay?
Yeah.
Tomato is
But
really
Wait,
nice.
wait.
Spanish.
Let me
You're
say
talking about the
something.
Spanish one, right?
Yeah.
No.
Tomato is a good vegetable or fruit, whatever you wanna call it, but it just tastes unnatural when it comes to chips.
Yeah, it does.
yeah.
You know that you made. It's a great reference. Tomato, whether tomato is a fruit or a vegetable, guys. Can you?
Yeah, because they call it a fruit as well.
Yeah, there are a lot.
Yeah.
Like potato is a fucking root, but तुम उसको सब्जी बोलते हो. Let's not get into
Okay,
science.
let's not get into it.
Yeah.
I was
save
like
it for
about
another
to drop
podcast.
some facts. Aniket like, नहीं,
भाई,
आज नहीं, please.
Please sir. नहीं.
आज नहीं परसों पीबीटी में करियो माँ चुदा इधर
Rav. No. Dude.
So blue lays wins here.
if you wanna say something,
Yeah.
do it, man. Can't stop.
I think स्कूल में हमको बताया गया था कि टोमेटो इज नॉट अ फ्रूट और अ वेजिटेबल ऐसे चुतियाप चीजें बोलते हैं ना स्कूल में टीचर्स आउट ऑफ नोवेयर जस्ट टू कॉल आउट किड्स फॉर नो फकिंग
वो
रीजन
खुद श्योर नहीं है बेचारे.
like tomato is not a fruit, it's not a vegetable, it's a berry. Like इस information का मैं क्या करूँ?
Are you
क्या
very sure
करूँ
about
इसमें?
that? Like,
Fuck, it's a
I don't know, Chief. That sounds kind of shady though.
पता नहीं.
I like what do I do with this information? The third categorization तुमने किया है मैं ऐसा करूँगा क्या? ये information मेरी जिंदगी में क्यों जरूरी है?
So with the first matchup, I think classic Indian takes the round by a huge margin, if I'm correct,
Yeah.
right?
Classic Indian is the
Yeah.
best.
So the next one is American cream and onion versus salted, the classic salted.
Bro, unpopular opinion. I don't know how many people are gonna hate me for this. I hate American cream and onion.
Us
I
yaar.
just don't know
Us
why.
yaar.
नहीं,
Fuck
American
you,
cream and
jet
onion.
playing
You know why?
motherfucker,
You
you
know why?
tomato
You know why?
liking
Why is it?
motherfucker.
Why is it?
Why is it that? Why is it that I hate it? I don't know why, because like it's a thing with me. Like मेरे लिए ही ऐसा है कि when I have a bad experience with a particular food, right?
Yeah.
Right.
I just मेरी body फिर ऐसा बना ली थी. Like for example, pav bhaji. I had this bad experience with pav bhaji. I ate too much and then drank too much water and then I
Right.
did some vomit. So I cannot eat pav bhaji now.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how tasty it is. Okay, same goes for American cream and onion.
Okay.
I was just expecting something else in my childhood. I got a different taste and it just went downhill
Dude,
from there.
cream and onion is a good flavor regardless of chips.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
Nah, bro.
I don't know, dude. You shut the fuck up, ठीक है?
Nah.
Cream and onion is
Nah,
a
man.
godly flavor. Bhai, I'm telling you, I've had the cream and onion sauce also. It's pretty epic. You have that shit with like chicken nuggets.
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah, dude, Buffalo Wild Wings ke saath, like ranch is basically that only, if I'm not wrong.
Basically that, yeah. One of the flavors they have, yes.
Yeah.
Vegetarians do be getting triggered right now.
Veg gang.
Veg gang,
Veg gang.
Veg gang.
Anybody who's a vegan also here? Nobody? Oh.
No, we're just
I
vegetarians.
tried being vegan for a month. It did not end well.
Yeah.
Is it not very difficult to be a vegan, like to be able to get all the nutrition you need?
You just need
Yeah,
lots of
nutrition is
paneer,
a
bro.
that's
Paneer
the
kha, bro.
paneer samajh ke kha ja.
But paneer is
Paneer
not
is a dairy
vegan, no?
product. Yeah.
No,
Yeah,
Rao,
it
the
is a
thing
dairy
is
product.
that
Acha,
the
हाँ,
thing
okay,
is
okay,
that
yeah.
the thing is that being vegan is kind of expensive because you need to get your nutrition from supplements.
Yeah, exactly. Most of your nutrients come from your supplements.
So, 1 second. So how many say American cream and onion take the case?
Me.
Wait. What is it? American cream and onion was
Salted, classic salted.
salted, bro.
Classic salted.
Classic
Yeah.
salted any day.
ये क्रैकर है, ये मैं तो वर्थ में खाता है.
एक सेंधा नमक डाल के खाता है मेरा लड़का.
सेंधा नमक से.
The only
Okay,
time
we've got
the only
Aniket.
time
Okay, Happy, what did you choose?
American cheese, bro.
So we've got 3 for American cheese and we've got 3 for classic
1 second,
salted.
you didn't even
Yeah,
ask,
oh.
Sid, you motherfucker.
Are Sid said na classic
No, he
salted?
didn't.
I said salted. Yes, I
Yes.
did.
Bro, he said.
Wow, Sid.
The only
Aniket,
time
तेरे को
the
पता-
only
Okay, what do
Fake friends.
उससे तो सही ऊपर ना सीरियल बैठा कोई तो सीरियल को ड्रैग कर पूछ के वापस
1 second, yes.
Oh yes, hey, do that.
Yes.
Do that.
Yes.
No, the only time I have
Hello,
salted
Hello,
chips is with
Cereal.
like sandwiches
Just a
or
second,
burgers.
just a second, sab chup. Cereal.
Hello, Cereal. We just wanted
Cereal,
to
ruk,
ask
ruk, ruk.
something.
Cereal.
Wait.
What the fuck?
There is a
Cereal,
there is
एक
a
second.
literal war here, okay?
This decision means a lot. Okay,
Yes.
just know that.
Oh god. Oh.
प्रेशर में डाल दिया बंदे को. No pressure.
Bro, no pressure, bro. No pressure.
No pressure, but this.
Your life is on the line, Serial.
Arey,
Okay,
एक
so
second.
serious.
Answer carefully.
We have a
Let crack
literal war
answer.
here, okay? You need to
That
choose
parade
one
moment.
between American cream and onion versus classic salted Lay's. What do you want?
Cream and
What
onion,
do you
bro.
Hell
Fuck
yeah.
salt.
Why-
Who called this guy?
Salted.
Who called this
Yeah,
guy
it's
anyway?
Oh
fine.
hell yeah. Oh hell yeah, buddies. Oh hell yeah.
That was kind of
Rav and Happy यार तुम झप्पी पाओ यार आके fuck these
Yeah, आओ यार.
degenerates यार.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, so
Alright.
the next matchup we have Uncle Chips and Sweet and Sour.
Sweet and sour.
What? Why do
West
we don't have
Indies.
Lay's?
Yeah.
It's
Where is the chili lemon? What the
we
hell?
have that. Ghost.
अरे आएगा थांबा.
Okay, Marathi bhau.
Yes,
So we've got what?
we have
What?
Sweet and Sour versus Uncle Chips.
I've not had much of sweet and sour, so I'd take Uncle Chips. Uncle Chips is
I
really
take
good.
Uncle Chips. Yeah, Uncle Chips is pretty
Yeah, Uncle Chips are better.
Rav.
good. Love is lost. वापस
Bro,
ला
bro, bro, bro,
my
bro.
guy out here in the mid.
Nice.
Yeah.
Technical difficulty का दूसरा नाम है The Brownie Version Podcast.
So
Yes.
How is it that my fucking internet is being a bitch?
So Rav, the next matchup is Chili Lemon and no, not Chili Lemon. It's Uncle Chips versus
Hey.
Sweet and Sour. So what
Yeah.
which one do you take?
Uncle Chips versus Sweet and Sour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is kind of like a weird matchup. That's like Rey Mysterio versus Great Khali.
But Rey Mysterio
Yeah,
did
yeah,
beat
true.
Great Khali once though.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Yeah.
I mean,
Just
uh-huh.
saying. Punjabi cage
619.
match.
Size does
Anyway.
not matter, crack.
619.
Size does not matter, crack, just so you know.
But
Wait,
internet does.
But
which
good
one is-
internet does
which
matter.
What is Sweet and Sour? Sweet and Sour कौन सा flavor
It's
है?
the
अरे
West
West
Indies
Indies
wala.
वाला, the orange
Orange
वाला
wala.
Yeah.
Are you talking about that Sweet and Sour honey mustard वाला? वो जो light
अरे
blue-
नहीं,
जो orange होता है, जो orange होता है.
orange color वाला Lay's.
that
West
is
Indies
hot.
वाला.
That is hot
Ah.
and sweet chili,
Yes.
and that is my
It's
favorite.
sweet and
hot
sour.
sweet
ठीक
chili.
है ना.
Oh.
है तो like
No,
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour and hot and chili are very
hot
different.
and
What are
chili.
you
Okay,
saying?
boys technical.
Hot and sweet
boys.
chili.
क्या
मेरे
research
मेरे
किया
Apology
है
video
ये?
on Aniket.
Hey, Aniket,
Apology
don't
video.
care about your
Yes.
feelings, alright?
Sid was my
can
research
you do
team.
it?
Just saying.
I was so
Oi, oi.
excited. I was so excited that you were gonna bring in that particular flavor, hot and sweet chili, and I was gonna say hot
Yeah.
and chili, and you went for sweet and sour.
I'm sorry. I'm
Wow.
sorry to play with your feelings, Rav, but it won't be the first time someone does. Just saying.
Hot and sweet chili.
Hot and sweet chili over
That's my
Uncle
favorite.
Chips.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
Crack
Yeah,
has already said Uncle Chips. Happy has already said Uncle Chips. Sid, what do you say?
Ghost.
Uncle
As
Chips.
much as I love as much as I love Uncle Chips, man, Lay's bhai, that flavor just hits different. Not gonna
Yeah,
lie.
that flavor is. Oof.
हमें तो अपनों ने लूटा, गैरों में कहाँ
I
दम था?
think
I think
वाह वाह वाह.
Aniket, I think half the people here are saying Uncle Chips because उस time पे Tazos आते थे Pokemon के, ठीक है? Uncle Chips के साथ. And that's the only reason why they are
Wait,
actually
no,
saying it.
Tazo.
OG, but like-
Tazo तो Cheetos के साथ आया करता था ना.
Yeah.
but yeah.
Tazos and Jenga cards. Uncle Chips
I
के साथ.
loved Uncle Chips because of the rhyme in the back. Dil mera bole.
Yeah.
Oh yes,
Kuch
yes,
bhi,
those were so
कुछ
good.
भी था.
कुछ भी था but था तो अच्छा ना.
अंताक्षरी.
मेरी बहना साथ में गाए.
Right.
That's just something.
That just sounds so wrong.
But
Like the reason
yaar.
the reason why chips became a thing among kids, I think, at least during my generation, was because we were such big fans of Pokemon, okay? And they started like selling Tazos, and everybody in school was like, "Kiske paas better Tazos hain?" Okay? Like that was the competition, and then they added on top of that by bringing in Jenga cards. Okay, like a different layer. Did you guys ever have like Jenga cards and Tazos in school?
Yeah,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah, we did. Yeah.
Tazos, yes.
So
Yeah.
What was it? What was your best collection of Jenga cards? Everyone, one by one. Just
I don't
Which one?
remember.
I don't even
Yeah.
remember.
I don't even remember for the
Same.
most part. Talking about Tazos and all, I remember Cheetos also had those sort of figurines that you had to make. We were talking
Yeah,
about it in
yeah.
Earlier podcasts.
Yeah,
What was the
Dragon
name of
Booster.
it?
Dragon Booster.
Dragon
yes.
Boo. Yeah, that one. Oh my god, I used to collect
हाँ,
those.
like वो छोटे कार्ड्स होते थे और उससे पूरा ड्रैगन बिल्ड होता था.
Yeah,
और मुझे
yeah.
अभी तक याद है उसका सबसे रेयर वाला मेरे पास आया था जो उसमें एंड में ड्रैगन गोल्डन और ब्लैक कलर का हो
Dude,
जाता है.
you're talking about that. I got into a fucking accident because of my greediness over those, alright? I got into a fucking accident.
Huh?
What?
Why?
Ghost, can you please elaborate?
Yes.
yeah. What kind of
Please
accident? Did you hit your head? Did you not? Just tell us. please.
Basically what happened was I was going on, I was with my mom going to my tuitions. It was early morning, okay? And me being the stubborn kid that I am, I'm like, हाँ मम्मी मेरे को चाहिए Cheetos, हाँ मेरे को दो. सुबह के 6 बजे दुकान खुली है कि नहीं कुछ पता नहीं. I'm being stubborn and yeah, मेरे ध्यान में था नहीं, I'm on the bicycle. And I put my leg inside the spokes in the bicycle, right? Like the
Yeah.
अब मैं अपना पैर उधर घुसाती हूँ and my leg gets entirely twisted and I lose like the flesh, the back of my heel completely. Okay,
Oh.
and I scream really bad.
Wow.
Okay.
How old were you?
I was like 6 or 7.
Dude, I have a very similar
That
story.
sounds,
I have a very,
Ek
very
second.
that
similar
sounds
story.
fucking
Let me-
painful, but can we just go back to the talk about
Let me-
ISP?
Ek
I know,
second.
let me
I think
no,
it's
no, no,
Crack.
no, let me
एक second,
complete.
एक second,
Hold on,
Ghost,
hold
एक
on.
second.
Yeah.
I like how
Huh.
her like connection gets the best at the part where she says the most gruesome detail of the fucking story.
Yeah.
It's like पेट उठ गया, घुटना बाहर, एड़ी भी निकल गई.
Dude, I'm not even kidding.
Aniket.
Very, very similar story, okay? And like we were 3 years old. I was 3 years old, and so we are from a joint family, right? Cousins and
Yeah.
all, right? So, and we used to have a house help who would like take us on a ride on his cycle, okay? And I was 3 years old. I put my leg, stupid idiot kid, right? I put my leg on the front wheel, okay? And
Aye.
I toppled off the fucking cycle, and my left leg is full. The foot is full marred, completely marred.
Oh,
Bloodshot, completely marred. I still have the scar.
Asyar.
Big
Oh,
scar
I-
on my
Asyar
Bro,
Rav.
I
my
have a
brother,
scar
Same
too.
thing happened to
my
me.
brother was in this very similar accident. My cousin भैया was on the bicycle and my
Right.
brother was sitting
भाई
behind.
बच्चे गिरते हैं यार.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
cycle and
Right.
उसने पैर दे दिया नीचे वाले व्हील में और वैसे के वैसे वो गिर गया.
अरे भाई तुझे
सेम चीज मेरे साथ हुई है. मेरी बहन
क्या
साइकिल चला रही
सबके
थी,
पास
मेरा
सेम
पैर-
ट्रॉमा एक्सपीरियंसेस
एक
है क्या? एक
second.
सेकंड, व्हाट द
एक
हेल?
second. I had 14 stitches at the back of my leg.
Yeah, same.
so, you know,
I still have the scar. My entire
I
left
have.
foot, the scar.
I have a scar too, actually. Like, I remember that happened. I was, क्या हुआ? मैं lagging again.
So coming back to the Uncle Chips debate, ठीक है? So
ACR मुझे दो.
how many? एक second. We have 2 for Uncle Chips. We have
Alright.
2 for Chili Lemon. Not Chili Lemon. You guys.
Chili lemon तेरी माँ की
Chili.
क्या बकवास कर रहा है?
What was it? What was it? Chili and क्या था?
Hot and sweet
Hot
chili.
and sweet
the fuck
chili.
yeah, it's not that.
Orange वाला Lays.
Get your
Fuck it.
facts right, bro.
Fuck it.
Get your facts right.
Fuck it. Orange वाला Lays.
तो Ben
ठीक है?
Shapiro moment.
Uncle Chips and orange वाला. ठीक है? So Ghost, what do you like vote for?
Okay, now that I really think about it, I haven't had that, and I do think it's pretty good. To be honest, I guess I changed my decision. I would go with the whatever it was, hot and sweet chili, or whatever it was.
Cool kids pop.
So-
Party
I've had both,
Padlu.
yeah.
Now,
Oh my
see,
God.
I was
I have had all the flavors of Lay's. Okay, that's I was
Ghost.
thinking through it. Yeah, bolo.
Now you got a family मिली after a long time. अंकल ने शुरू करी कोई rhyme. दीदी ने अंकल चिप्स का पैकेट खोला तो भैया का दिल बोला आजा मेरी स्वीट बहना मिलकर गाए अंताक्षरी का first गाना.
bars.
Wow.
You gotta
Yes.
take these bars.
Acha,
in,
so
man.
we have
Okay,
we have orange wala as the winner here. ठीक है, orange wala Lays as the winner.
Always
Let's go.
wins,
Nice.
just so you know.
I'm gonna write orange here just so you know because अभी मेरे को नाम याद नहीं हुआ है. The next matchup is
Orange.
okay. So I can see the disappointment in Rav's eyes कि कहाँ फंस गया हूँ मैं. ठीक है.
No, that's not true. That's not
Ah.
true. This is fun. Wow, you have these kind of questions. It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Definitely.
So yeah, you talking about Auschwitz in the first 10 minutes was really
so
fun,
fun.
dude.
Like we're talking about Lays and shit. It's so fun. Then you go back to YouTube drama. Fuck, I don't want to go.
Dude, we're gonna get to that if we have time. Just saying. So
Okay.
the next matchup is Chili Lemon versus Max का जो chili flavor आता था. If anybody.
Hell no. Chill
Max
lemon.
का
Yeah.
Chill
Max का chili flavor. Which one?
इसका
There are
chili
Max
भी आता
के.
था क्या?
There is a
I
barbecue
think-
flavor. of
Barbecue,
Max.
nacho cheese
Barbecue
and the
and,
chili flavor. तीन आते थे ना?
हाँ, वो hot chili कुछ
What I
something था.
think, what I feel like is Max was just a giant. Scam,
Yeah, it
okay?
was.
Yeah.
It had lesser
They
flavor,
just
dude.
changed the chips. Oh
It had
my
lesser
God.
flavor.
Like-
Fuck Max. Just saying. So I'm gonna go for chili lemon, like obviously.
Yeah.
Chili lemon.
Same,
all the way.
same, same.
Everybody's
Chili lemon,
Person named Max getting very triggered right now. हाँ, भाई chill lemon ना मेरे
So-
तरफ
Chili
से.
lemon is my second favorite.
Happy?
I am going for
Yeah,
chili.
Even though
I love
I
chili
didn't have
lemon.
much of chili lemon, but I
Happy,
choose
what-
chili
what do
lemon
you
over
go for,
Max
man?
any day.
अरे भाई chili lemon is my
Happy?
favorite. Like,
देख,
क्या?
Max में red वाला अच्छा था, ठीक है.
Red wala is macho
Fuck
chili.
me.
It's
Yeah,
called
macho
macho
Do you,
chili.
Yeah,
do you
macho.
guys remember? Do you guys two things? Okay, number one, do you guys remember OS?
Yes.
Oh yes. I
yes.
मैंने पहले बात आज से करी थी इसके बारे में.
Corn
Oh,
puffs,
yes.
very OG corn
Dude,
puffs.
Yeah,
corn
corn
puffs,
puffs.
used to eat in
OS
school.
में OS and fun flips also.
No,
Fun
2
flips
रुपए
also.
की
Fun
packet
flips.
आते
Fun
पता है?
अरे
flips.
wait,
Yeah,
what
OS
about
is-
hippo? What about hippo?
Hippo
Do
is
you
best.
guys-
That was
Hippo.
also,
Oh,
but
Oh my
Yeah.
god, that was
Like,
OP.
huh.
Hold your horses, boys. Let's first complete the bracket and then we'll get to the random chips.
Yeah.
ठीक है?
OS
Yeah.
वाली बात पे
ठीक है?
जाएंगे.
Because I will
Yes.
come back to that. क्योंकि भाई fun flips for life. Just saying. So
Yeah,
we
Fun
have
Flips and OS are best, yeah.
एक second. Can I place bets on which Lays will win?
yeah, sure.
Sure.
Hmm.
I have a chili lemon. Or maybe African dip.
I will bet a Lays packet.
अरे यार
Okay,
तू
so-
चालू कर यार
It
तू
is
कर
so
तू
sad.
competition.
See, it is so sad that finally a Lay's packet, Lay's is gonna win. One particular flavor of Lay's is gonna win, even though we all know that Lay's is like such a big scam. But 75% तो हवा है. भाई,
हवा
it's
है,
so
Basically,
sad.
bro.
Okay, the controversial question: Pringles or Lay's?
Oh.
Sorry, इतनी entitlement नहीं है Pringles
Yes.
के लिए.
अरे
South
यार,
Bombay
ऐसा
kids
मत
speak
बोल.
up.
That's
I would just pick Lay's.
Yeah.
Because Pringles की
Also
औकात नहीं थी
200
और
रुपए का
बचपन
डब्बा
में तो
कौन
खाया नहीं.
खरीदता है भाई?
मैंने
भाई,
Pringles
हाँ,
आज तक नहीं खाया.
And
Alright,
do you know
just
how much
asking.
how much guilt you feel after you just finish an entire freaking 200 rupees का
Also,
packet of
they were
chips?
not
Like,
that good. Just saying. मैंने एक बार खाया था. We were on a trip. So मैंने पापा को बोला पापा Pringles लेना है. And because we were on a trip, you were like ले यार क्या ही मना करूं. Worst decision of my life. It was just bad.
200 रुपए waste हो गए
Which one did you
यार.
have?
Fuck.
I
Which one
think
did
I
you
had the
have?
pizza वाला flavor जो आता है.
Yeah, मैंने भी वही try किया.
It was just
वही
it was just
खाया मैंने.
bad.
The classic Pringles, the
Then
spring onion one
Aniket,
is
you
alright,
definitely
and
like the
barbecue
sour
is
cream wala
alright.
flavor. Sour cream
Yeah,
wala
that is
flavor of
good.
Pringles is
Yeah.
good. Standard.
That
I have
and
never had
barbecue.
Pringles in my life.
ठीक है. So the next, so chili lemon wins this one if I'm not wrong. Right?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
the
yeah.
next one is Max का nacho flavor.
Macho chili. Macho chili.
अरे it's nacho cheese भी आता है एक.
अरे
Nacho
की बात
cheese?
कर.
Yeah. And then there is the
आपके
barbecue.
आंखें खुल गए
Rav
आज.
immediately opens up Google to search for
I-
it.
I'll-
Nacho cheese and what?
Investigation चालू
A
करनी
little
है.
blood just
Oh,
went
where
there.
is the nacho
A
flavor?
little blood just went there for Rav. I'm just saying. मैं कह
Yeah, I can
yeah,
tell.
and the
Where?
Max barbecue.
Yeah, Max Barbecue. I think I think
Yeah,
I don't
so
give a
living-
fucking shit, bro. That
I have had
it's
both of
overtime
them.
for me. I don't care.
See, so which one takes it? It's a filler for me.
Sizzling
No,
barbecue.
I think barbecue.
Nachos.
It was a barbecue, right?
Sizzling.
Yeah,
Sizzling barbecue.
barbecue was
I'll
way
take it.
better.
Nachos are better.
Because sizzling barbecue is like a very unique
Yeah.
flavor. No other chips had.
No
that
other chips
flavor,
had
so
that
I'll just pick
flavor.
that.
Also, like Max में पहले एक तो कम flavor होता है. I don't know why.
Right.
So at least you're getting a new flavor.
मैक्स चिली इंडियन मसाला से भी 3 स्टेजेस नीचे
Yeah.
लाइक इतना कम मसाला
Yeah.
हाँ, but we have to
इतना
choose
कम
between
chili.
the two of them, right?
So barbecue अगले round में हरा देंगे. Fuck it, boys.
सब fixed है. Plot twist.
It's like the IPL.
movement. IPL movement.
Right.
This is how they fix IPL
Yes.
matches.
अरे बाद में जिता देंगे.
पंजाब सेमीफाइनल्स में अरे नेक्स्ट में
So-
अरे ठीक है विराट कोहली तो सेंचुरी करा ही देगा, कोई बात नहीं, पर ठीक है एंड में तो कटना ही है इनका.
मेरे बचपन में मेरे कैब ड्राइवर था, वो बुकिंग करता था, मतलब वो पैसे लगाता था. It's like देखो अरे इट्स लाइक क्या होता था कि स्कूल में जैसे हमने क्लास में बैटिंग लगा रखी 10-10 रुपए की, तो इट्स लाइक मेरा वैन वाला मेरे को पहले बता देता था कि ये वाली टीम जीतेगी.
From cab drivers to
Okay,
getting
और मैं क्लास में बैटिंग जीत जाता था एक दिन में 10 से 50 रुपए ऐसे
nice.
वैन वाली हेल्प
Nice.
से.
पता है
10 रुपए लगा रहे हैं बताओ.
पता है आजकल यूट्यूबर्स उसको प्रमोट कर रहे हैं कि कौन सा क्रिकेट टीम जीतेगा. Using Chinese app.
It's just
Okay,
gambling,
sorry.
but they're advertising it as something else.
It's
Oh,
just
it is
bad.
gambling.
It's just unethical and
Yes,
it's just
exactly.
bad.
Who cares about YouTube, bro? You got
Yes,
what I
sir.
did there?
I got what you did there. Nice.
Yes,
Well done.
we had a debate about this for half an hour yesterday. Just saying.
Let's
We
just
did-
not go there. Okay, let's. Okay.
And yesterday we didn't
Next.
record with Chirag, so like that conversation is gonna happen.
Nice, epic. So
Next
yeah,
round, next round.
Next
the first
round,
round
yeah.
is over, and the first round's winners are the classic Indian masala, the American cheese onion, the orange wala because I always forget the name.
अरे भाई नाम बोल दे यार, what the hell.
ठीक है.
Hot and sweet chili.
Hot and
Hot and sweet chili.
sweet chili. Okay, Rav.
Just like Rav's.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we have
Moving
the chili lemon and we have Max barbecue. ठीक है. So we have, जैसे IPL में होता है ना कि पहले वाले ब्रैकेट का बंदा सीधा फाइनल में जाता है एंड द सेकंड एंड थर्ड वाला दे फकिंग फाइट इट आउट, वैसे यहाँ पे भी करना पड़ेगा. सो द नेक्स्ट राउंड इज हॉट
No, just
स्वीट एंड
put the one in the final which got the most votes.
क्या था मैं फिर भूल गया. स्वीट हॉट एंड चिली.
Hot and sweet chili. Like, oh my god. This motherfucker.
Ram is so triggered.
Aniket is like क्या दो?
Rav
Sweet
seems
and hot
Daniel.
and chili and lace.
Orange one.
Rav is done.
Rav is like
Rav is
fantastic.
fuck this
And
motherfucker. ठीक है.
At this point, I feel like Aniket is doing it intentionally.
अच्छा so
Bro, let's just go on to the next round, bro. Time खत्म हो
वही
जाएगा.
कर रहा हूँ. So we have hot sweet and chili. ठीक है. We have and the chili lemon.
Hot sweet.
Dude, Rav, why the fuck do you give so much fuck about a flavor?
Rav is
Because
like
it's my favorite. What the hell?
Dude,
Rav is like
get
and
your
गलत जगह पे
facts
लगा.
right,
I'm
bro.
gonna treat my chips the
सुनो.
same way I treat my favorite people in
सुनो
life. What the hell,
सुनो
man?
जैसे टीचर करवाती थी ना, मैं पॉडकास्ट के बाद 100 बार फ्लेवर का नाम लिखूंगा अपनी कॉपी में. ठीक है. So ऑरेंज वाला या चिली लेमन?
Chili lemon. I'm sorry, I'm biased. It's
Orange
awkward.
वाला. Orange वाला.
Orange one.
Orange.
Orange.
Wow.
Sweet and chili. Sweet and
Yeah,
chili.
sweet and chili,
Nice.
man.
Orange,
I'm
orange,
the only one who's
Yeah,
okay with
Yeah,
it.
sweet and chili, obviously.
Sweet
Oh.
and chili तो है नहीं वैसे, but ठीक है. Nice.
Fucking crack said it.
You can just make a like 5-minute video out of him pronouncing the name wrong.
Yes. उधर आधा content उधर मिल जाएगा.
Okay, so and we have hot and chili versus Max barbecue. अरे तुम क्या बोलते?
I think now he's just doing this intentionally now. Okay, he's just doing this intentionally.
So next we have India and chili. Okay, do you what do you
अच्छा, so
Oh, man.
obviously barbecue को cut करना है यहाँ से. So I'm just gonna take the orange
हाँ.
one forward.
fuck barbecue.
So the next one is a bit tricky. The next one is classic Indian masala versus American cheese and onion.
Classic
Cream and onion,
Indian
sorry.
masala.
Classic Indian, classic Indian. bro.
Indian,
Yes.
Indian.
I am
I'm
true Indian, so
Why
masala.
feeling proud?
Yes.
feeling
Sorry, guys.
proud Indian army.
Too bland. Too bland.
That's too
That's
bland.
too bland.
Uh,
Classic
I would
American.
choose this one. The other one, sweet
Indian and
onion.
chili.
American sweet and
American
onion.
Taste
I
story,
think
question mark?
so. No,
Anti-natural?
I'll only pick blue वाला because sometimes when I'm hungry मैं उसको bread को सेक के बीच में लगा के खा लेता हूँ. Because
What you can have it with the other chips also.
but
The other
that
ones, the
just
American one
that
also.
tastes the best.
It just hits
Yeah.
different.
Bro,
Yeah,
have you
I
guys
did
tried
different.
that shit के एक bowl में
I have.
कुरकुरे और वो
I
Indian
have done
मसाले
that.
वाले
जिंदगी
chips
भाई
डाल के
बचपन
और-
ऐसा ही बीता
I
यार.
have done that. I have
Me
done
and
that.
Happy have done that with OS क्योंकि 2-2 रुपए के लेकर आते थे
Oh,
पूरा bowl भर
What can
देते.
I say? I'm somewhat of a chef
है.
myself. So,
Thank
So-
God. I was like, I really thought that I was weird in college because I used to have bread with chips.
No.
I was like, oh
Dude,
shit, everybody
it's
else
okay.
does
What I
it,
do
right?
is
I know, right? It
Bro,
tastes so
I
good.
had a very
Wait,
similar
wait.
experience in kindergarten. पता है kindergarten में क्या हुआ कि I was like bro चाय के साथ कौन सा बिस्किट बेस्ट है, सबने किसी ने बोला पार्ले जी, किसी ने
Oh, I
बोला टाइगर,
remember
कुछ तो
this.
भी ऐसे चल रहा है. And then one guy went कि अरे तुम में से कौन पार्ले जी पानी में
Dude,
डुबो
us
के-
यार.
Okay, now listen.
Bruh.
us यार.
Bro, what? Raf, don't say you
भाई
used to do it.
I still do that.
Did all the biscuits,
Not
man. All biscuits.
Bro, that guy went like that. I was like, क्या बोल रहा है? And everybody was like, yeah, bro, I do
Fuck
that.
yeah,
bro,
dude.
पानी के साथ
Dude,
Parle G.
all biscuits. all
Dude,
the
it
biscuits
just
work for me.
enhances the sugar.
Ah,
That's
Bro,
it.
why?
It just makes it a
Why
bit
do
more
you want
sweet,
to do
right,
that,
Tav?
bro?
I have tried it. It actually is.
एक second.
Bro, you keep biscuits in an airtight seal so that वो ऐसा stale
अरे,
ना हो. तुम जानबूझ के
सुन
उसको moist क्यों कर
सुन
रहे हो?
it first of all removes the
Okay.
dryness from the fucking biscuit, ठीक है,
Right,
and then
right.
it enhances the sugar of it, ठीक है, so it makes it a bit
अच्छा,
more
फिर
sweet.
choose कर लो पानी क्यों?
Dude, कोक में डुबा के दो
Because-
क्योंकि पानी.
Because why would you? Because any other beverage you choose for what other beverage you choose? You choose some. What
Bro,
did you
there's
choose?
fucking chai, bro. There's
But
coffee.
chai
bro.
adds its
Or the-
sweetness of its own to it, and it makes it too
Right.
sweet for me sometimes.
Having a lot of
Yeah.
sugar then.
You're just enhancing the sugar.
So
and
this is
I
what
mean, you
Aniket
could,
is
I mean,
studying
you
in
could try it
JEE.
with milk, I guess. You could try it with milk, I guess.
Yeah.
But
मैं
Milk
सोच
is
रहा था
another
मैं अपना
option.
चाइल्डहुड ट्रॉमा थोड़ा सा बताऊंगा, तुम मुझे सपोर्ट करके मुझे ऊपर लाओगे. मैं वापस bully हो रहा हूँ, so I'm not gonna
अच्छा,
say
अच्छा.
anything.
No,
You're
but
going
it's
to-
fine.
Crack
I'm
kingdom
sure
में
you
मैं
can-
तेरे साथ हूँ,
नहीं,
मेरे
नहीं,
को
I'm
भी ऐसे
sure
लगता है.
like you can have it with any beverage you want, whatever your taste is. But
Hmm.
I think बचपन में we all like, how did you? What was your 4 o'clock snack? Honestly, before you
Maggi.
used to go and like play or something.
अच्छा
Before
4 o'clock
going to
सुबह.
play.
अच्छा sorry, I
Oy,
thought
oy,
सुबह
oy.
का. Sorry.
नहीं, 4
क्योंकि
o'clock.
माँ है ना, मेरी माँ
साले
मेरे को ना
insomniac.
3 या 4 ब्रेड सेक के देती थी मेरे को. That was my
Anybody-
fucking-
Bread
Bread
with
butter.
like
पहले
or just plain
Bread
bread.
Did anybody have दूध
Bread
चाय?
butter.
दूध चाय वाला
Oh,
concept
yes.
था किसी के घर में?
Oh yes.
What was yours, Aniket?
कौन सा
दूध
कौन सा?
चाय.
दूध चाय.
So-
Have you?
Yeah.
चाय तो होता ही है उसके
I said
साथ.
oh yes.
नहीं so I
Oh,
thought like क्योंकि मैं अपनी मम्मी के साथ नहीं रहता था. My mother used to work, right? And father also
Right.
used to go to his like work. So I used to go to my
Right.
grandmother's house. मेरी नानी के घर जाता था from school. So obviously she and me were like very close. But the only thing that we would fight on is food. क्योंकि बच्चा हूँ, खाने के लिए कुछ चाहिए चटपटा. And obviously she doesn't know that how to cook like भाई जो अब हमको चाहिए. So in the evening she would give me milk bikkies, if anybody remembers.
Oh,
Oh.
Milk
okay.
bikkies and
Aye.
दूध चाय.
Milk
dude,
bikkies.
I got so much shit in college for eating milk bikkies.
Yeah.
Okay. Like ये 10 साल के बच्चे नहीं खाते. Like भाई चूती तुम लोग पार्ले जी
Yes.
खा रहे हो, ठीक है? यूपी वाले भी खाना
Milk
बंद
Bikis is
कर.
like the Milk Bikis is like the calcium sandals of
Yes.
biscuits. It's like बच्चे ही खाते हैं इसको. ये
Dude,
बड़े
it
नहीं
was
खाते.
so epic. Milk bikkies are still very good. That's the thing. Milk bikkies are still good. So yeah.
Do they still sell?
Yeah,
do they
yeah.
still sell
Yes,
calcium?
they do.
Yeah.
Yes, they do.
That giraffe flavor, that giraffe
Yes.
packet.
Oh my
Giraffe
God.
and dog flavors.
एक second, I have a
Fucking
question.
Something weird about those
Now that-
tablets, right? It's not
Yeah.
only me.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. The orange
something
giraffe flavor.
weird.
It's something
Yeah.
very weird
Calcium
about that.
Sandoz.
नहीं, it's not-
Orange flavor वाला भी
It's
आता
the
था ना?
aura with that fucking tablet. It's
Orange
like,
flavor वाला भी तो आता था.
It's very weird. Orange flavor, very weird, and it's a fucking scam. I'm telling you guys. It did not help me at all.
not even
And I had
mint.
so much.
it feels like mint, but it's not mint. It's like it's. I cannot.
अच्छा
even explain.
अच्छा.
पता नहीं क्या डालते
I
थे भाई
think-
अंदर.
एक second, talking on the topic of biscuits, I have a question. Our
Yeah.
further friendship depends on this. Do you like strawberry Oreo or not?
Nah.
What is strawberry?
Strawberry
Nah.
Oreo?
what?
Strawberry
Oreo?
flavored
Strawberry
Oreo.
Oreo, what are you talking about?
They have.
It
What's
is
It's
so
that?
bad.
fucking
It's
trash.
bad. It's very
Strawberry
bad.
flavored
I know,
Oreo,
I know.
man.
नहीं.
What? How can they add
I
strawberry
सुन.
Oreo?
Sid.
Wait, Ra,
Dude.
you didn't know this?
They
एक
add
second. Ra,
lime to Oreo. Okay. They
Oh
add
my
lime
fucking
to
God.
the Oreo
What?
series.
Which
Yes,
flavor?
there is a lemon
Dude,
flavor.
where are you guys staying? Are you staying in America or something? Like I don't.
No,
नहीं
there
No,
is
no,
a
strawberry.
lemon flavor with Oreo. Okay, they
Rav,
fucked that shit up.
lemon तो उधर ही मिलता है, इधर strawberry का मिलता है. You get it in.
लेमन भी यहाँ पे
And it
मिलता
is
है.
so bad,
एक बार आया
trust
था
me.
बीच में लेमन. I remember it was bad.
Yeah.
सुन sit.
You guys are another
The
classic
only Oreo I have is not. मैं chocolate वाली cream वाला भी नहीं खा सकता. The only classic white cream वाला.
Yeah,
Classic
Oreo is the
Classic
best.
is
Yes.
better. Classic
Okay,
is better.
so it's the
Classic is
championship round, boys. Get your drinks ready. Just saying. So we have classic.
अब देखते
We
हैं
have
शाहरुख भाई किसके जीतने पे लड़ेंगे सिक्योरिटी गार्ड. Let's see guys.
we have the classic Indian blue Lays, and we have Lay's hot and sweet chili orange Lays. ठीक है? I had to pull out my Google Chrome for that, you motherfucker.
Good.
Hot and sweet chili. I've got India and chili. So what do we
Dude,
guys?
I'm going for the orange one, dude. Fuck it. It's better.
Yeah. Hot
Orange.
and sweet chili. Hot and sweet.
I'm
Rav,
gonna go
us
for
yaar.
the Indian masala.
Indian यार, Indian.
Indian masala.
भाई ये तो भाई भाई इनका तो अलग ही
भाई,
देश
yes.
की मिट्टी चल रहा है भाई मैं बता रहा हूँ.
भाई, देश की
मिट्टी नहीं भाड़ में bro.
I'm not even
एक second.
वैसा नहीं बोल सकता. Oh shit.
I
Out
got
of
it.
context मत लेना मेरी बातों को. ओए यलगार नहीं बोलना मैंने. ओए.
Yes. हाँ बोल. What were you saying? देश भक्ति गई भाड़ में के बाद क्या बोलने वाला था तू?
नहीं ये नहीं बोला मैं. Okay. मैं कह रहा हूँ देश की मिट्टी का तो है ही, प्रेम तो है ही. उसके अलावा the taste, okay, the oh my god bro, I just cannot.
I will tell you. I'll help you complete it. The magic in Indian magic masala is
Indian
देश की मिट्टी.
spices.
देश की मिट्टी.
Yes.
अरे
Dude,
देश की मिट्टी.
I tell you what,
Yes.
Raf. If you have like छिले हुए हो ना होठ, and then you have that shit, तुम्हारा मरने का मन करेगा.
अबे
Oh
तू-
God.
You need to go to Auschwitz as soon as fucking possible, bro. Like, it's a place for
okay.
you.
Too dark too soon. What the hell, man?
I mean, I do have an LGBTQ Hitler profile picture. Just saying.
Wow.
So, all right.
That doesn't make it all right, but you do you.
कहाँ से आ रही है भाई? कहाँ से आ रही है? शुरू भी नहीं हुआ. अभी वेट कर रहा हूँ कब से.
First music plays in background,
एक
question
second.
mark.
Ghost and said, now the burden is on you guys. Yes.
Yes.
God damn it.
Fucking orange Lays all the way, man.
Hell yeah.
Yes. Come on, Ghost. Give it to us, please.
Give it to him.
This is a
देख
very
ले, देख ले,
difficult
Ghost.
decision for me because
वो देख ले.
ये वोट आएगा इस ब्रेक के बाद.
चुप हो जा बात.
Find out in the next episode
It's
of
a
Dragon Ball
Monetization
Z.
non हुआ है क्या चैनल का?
Ghost,
This-
please, यार, please, Ghost.
Motherfucker, don't seduce her.
Look, this is a very diff-
We're not gonna run.
Just-
We're not gonna run
just
out of
tell
jokes.
us-
Yes, just
Right
say
now.
I'm gonna count to 3 and you have to say it out.
3,
Okay.
Otherwise,
Okay.
Jack
Two.
wins.
1.
Yeah. So it's मैं बोल रहा
Hot
हूँ.
and sweet chili, sorry.
Rav, we
Let's
did it,
go.
boys.
क्या दो?
We did it. Rav,
भाई क्रैकी हम लोगों को
Rav,
नहीं
Australia international.
हमको
after
तो
such-
अपनों ने लूटा,
af-
गैरों में कहाँ दम था.
me and Rav, after such a long rivalry of me saying
Bhai.
the Lay's flavor
One
wrong.
second. Now that we're talking
And-
about chips,
And the number of times you said the name wrong, after that we still managed to fucking win.
Bhai, Rav, the bigger. I would like to emphasize on the V because I also voted for that shit, man.
That is
Yes.
true. That is true. We cannot win without
Yes.
Aniket. What the hell? But then again, we can't win without me also.
now that we're on the
It's like
top,
the
now that we're on
Chitambram
the
of our shit.
topic of,
Okay.
now that we're on the topic of chips, so that we're still on the topic of chips. Fuck too yum. Fuck that shit.
Fuck that shit.
Oh, bhai,
Fuck
too
that
So
shit to the
as-
max.
It was kind of okay.
Fuck
it
too
was
yum.
not
All my
No,
homies
no.
hate too yum. Hello, this is Aniket from the future because guess what? OBS decided to be a little bitch and cut the recording off. We had around 15 minutes of pretty awesome footage after this. But nonetheless, we had a lot of fun recording that. So yeah, that makes up for it, I guess. I'll have to do the outro again. So if there's at least a minute chance for someone listening that doesn't know who Rav is, the guy is an awesome YouTube creator. He has 2 channels of his own. One is Rav Gameplays and the other is More Rav. I will make sure to leave a link to those channels down in the description along with the podcast that he does with his co-host Papa Okus called Person Behind the Persona. Check that shit out. And also you can find an Instagram link to Rav if you want, right? Also a big shout out to the other awesome people from the Panchayat. Yeah, that's what we call ourselves. It's Crack, Sid, Happy, and Ghost Mother. All of them pretty talented. You can find the link to their YouTube channels and their Instagram handles down in the description too. Check them out. Give them some love, man. What the fuck? And at last, what I would like to say is, if you like the video, do like it and subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more podcasts like these. I will make sure to up the frequency of podcasts after some time. Yeah. So make sure to subscribe for that. Hit the notification bell for every Saturday 9 p.m. You get a new episode, and pretty soon I'm gonna announce a special thing for Spotify listeners. So make sure you check the description for some Spotify links. All right, that has been it. Comment your favorite flavor of Lay's down in the comment box because engagement is a bitch. And that's been it for this one. Shabbat hai.
Bitch, I've been killing shit like my middle name was Ace. Shouts out Freddie Mercury, I see you in the haze. Every dream I have nowadays, I got it made. All I need's a loyal bitch with makeup on her face. Hating on that nigga way too long, then he upgrade. Neon lights.